back to my channel. So I wasn't gonna record, but then I saw things that I needed to show you. So I believe some of these were already here the last time I was here at this Home Depot, but I just want to show you how good they're looking, and they've just been dealing with whatever the weather, Florida weather, is throwing at them. We had rain for a few days, and then we had it got cold, and I know that we're gonna get cold temperatures again, down to 40s. But look at this beauty, she's so beautiful. That's a dusty rose. And then we have this one that is supposedly Grafted Petal Peach. And then this is the one that I have at home that I purchased from here. And then Ethereal Parnumberg. This one is Blue Giant. And look at these. Are these super bums? No, Pentendrum. They look like super bums though. It's called I'll read it again. Graptopetalum Pentendrum. I have to convince myself not to buy these because it's really hard. This one. I just need to tell myself to calm down. I can't. What is that? What is that, guys? I don't know what that is. It's in one of these arrangements. These arrangements too are super nice. This one's super pretty. That one's 30. This one's 25, which I think, like, for the basket and all the plants you get in, is a steal. Look at these. It's ready to go for you to just hang up. These are super cute as well. But wait, I'm curious. Why are these like this? What kind of plant is that they have some variegation? That is crazy to me. I am definitely getting these aeoniums. They don't have any. I haven't done well with aeoniums. The one that I'm doing really good is, I think, is called the Aeonium Lily Pad. That one's been inside the greenhouse and doing well. And then an abandoned aeonium that's in one of my arrangements in the shade is also doing very well. So that's gonna stay there. But these, look at these. These are super pretty. Take that out. These are looking super nice. That is not looking nice right there. I don't know what happened to that. These are looking super nice. They recently brought these in because they were not here when I was here previously. Look at those colors. Look at this one. And the one that I'm looking at from far away, from the other side, is that one I really like. Even though I have, I think, almost all these plants except for possibly that one. That one is $20. That one is $20. I don't know. I need to be good. Look more. Graptopetalum Pentendrum. But this one, this supposedly says that it's campfire, but I have campfire and it does not look like this at all. This looks very different. I don't know. Can you guys tell me what you think it is? I mean, if it is campfire, why does it look so different than mine? So would like to know. These have beautiful coloring. These, I think, are blue something. Graptoveria Blue Pearl. That's Graptoveria Blue Pearl. This is Cideria Lilac Mist. This is the other ghost plant. That's what it's gonna say on there. I don't see. This is the one that I have. I have both of them, but, like, you know, the gray colors. Yeah. It's called Graptopetalum. I don't know. Anyways, the ghost plant. That's what it says. So yeah, these all look good. I've been trying to see if I can find the dolphin that everyone's been finding at their Home Depot. I have not found it. I think it's in California so far. I've seen people find it, not over here, to my knowledge, in Florida. So yeah, let me go take a look at the arrangements over there, and I think that's it. I think it might be good. I'm gonna walk away with just the aeonium. Wow, fancy. Those big pots. They're $75. These are $35. And you get lots of plants. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 plants in a pot. Is it plastic? It's plastic, but it's meant to look like it's not. So that's nice. And then we have these. These always look good when they first bring them. And then a bunch of these. You guys have seen these already before. And that's it, guys. And that's it. This looks like the Pomadonas, but it has a different name. I don't know. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye, guys.